Hi everyone, this is Ivy Criard. So welcome back to my channel. But if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. And if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified of my upcoming videos. So for today's video, it will be a watercolor session with me. So what I'm using today is the watercolor pen brush set from Ohuhu there, and this is the set. We have 20 colors and a brush pen where you can put water in there too. There are two ways, or actually there are no rules in how to use this. It's just it really depends on how comfortable you are, and it really just depends how you like the output. So sometimes you can put it on the paper first, wet your paper first, or the color first, and then use the water brush. So it really depends. But anyway, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about so you can relate. Okay, let's switch. Alright, so here is my watercolor pad from Sargent Arts. I already have some work here, which I am going to show you later on, as I will be having a watercolor pad tour here. And this is my watercolor brush set from Ohuhu, like I said. And you can just take it out with 20 colors. And then here you need to put water. I don't have water anymore, so I have to put some here. Okay, so let's just put some water here like that, and I'll be back. All right, so I have the water. I actually have a lot of brushes, and it's different sizes, but I'm just gonna use this one for today. Later, maybe for my next video, I'll show you the supplies, art supplies that I have. Okay, so it says stay sharp. Okay, so I already have a sketch there, and so I would need brown and green. So I'm gonna start off with darker shades. So like I said, there are two ways on how to use this one. First is you can wet your paper and use this, but I don't like that part, because if I do, then it will take out all the colors from the brush right here. So this one will become white. I'll show you what I mean there. Okay, let's try that one. Okay, so I'm gonna wet this right here, and then it's just an example, and then I'm gonna do that. So yeah, just because I put just a little water, it won't make this really white. But you know, if you like add a lot of water, it will dilute this brush, so eventually it will turn to white. But yeah, but what I really like to do is just brush this and then use the water brush like this. I get more blends if I do that one. So see that one right there. Like I said, you can have your own rules, you can follow what other artists say, but as for me, I don't really follow rules. I just do it my way, and it's really up to you how you want it. So you can actually press this to get water, like, let's see, I don't know if you see it there. If you want more water, see what happens there. So like this one, for example, now that is so wet, right? So my paper is wet, so I'm gonna get this lighter brown and see what will happen if I do that one. So see, this is what I mean. Look, it's starting to get white, the brush, because I put it there and the paper is so wet. And so look at that, it changed the color of the brush, so we don't want to do that. Sorry for the shadow, but yeah, like that. See that one? So we don't want to do that. So I'll just do it the same way I did the first time. Okay, so alright, so there you have it, and thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. The message for today is just to stay sharp, keep learning, just continue. It's a continuous process. Until next time, bye. Thanks for watching.